Hello everyone, welcome back to my page, Delightful Chef Eats. I'm the Delightful Chef. Today we're going to be making some fried chicken. I'm starting off with a marinade, and you're going to leave this marinade on your chicken between 2 and 24 hours. I just added a whole onion, 3 cloves of garlic, a handful of parsley, and a handful of thyme. Now I'm adding about a half a cup of milk, and I'm going to add a lid full of vinegar. Sorry, the word lost me for a second there. Now for this, you want to season like pretty well. The milk, I find the milk absorbs a lot of the seasoning, and you need to add just a little bit extra while it's sitting in the chicken so that the chicken can absorb some of that seasoning, if that makes any sense. Anyway, so add a big pinch of salt and pepper. I'm also going to add a few drops of Maggi because Maggi's life. Everybody knows that. And I'm also going to add some Valentina sauce. Now, it's not very spicy, but I like the flavor and I like the smokiness. But if you want to add like a hot sauce with more kick, go for something else. Go for Scotch Bonnet or, whichever hot sauce that you like. But Valentina is not like the most spiciest. For me, it's more of a flavor thing. So now I'm going to add some salt and pepper to the actual chicken because, as I said, for this, you do need to season really well. Now, I'm only using the drumsticks because, I don't know, that's just what we had in the fridge. And don't worry if you see any like lumps or bumps in your marinade. It doesn't matter. It's going to be fine. So now I'm just going to roll it in some seasoned flour. I seasoned my flour again with salt and pepper. And I'm going to roll the drumstick in the flour and shake off all the extra flour before I drop it into my oil. My oil is about 325. And once you add your chicken, the temperature is going to drop because the chicken is cold and you're adding it into hot oil. So just keep an eye on that and make sure that your stove is still, like you see how it's bubbling around the chicken. Just when you're finished adding all of your chicken, if the temperature drops, just adjust your stove a little higher, like not even a full dial. Just be very careful about it because chicken burns. Excuse me. I've been having allergies for this past week. I don't know what's been going on. So also, if you want to make sure that your chicken is done, I would always save like one piece that you know is going to be for you. And just check the bone. Go to the thickest part of the leg and open it up. And if the bone is red, the chicken's not done. You want to wait until the bone is brown. Then your chicken is done for sure. This is just right after I flip it over. So we're halfway through. I've been cooking it so far for about 5 minutes, 5 or 7 minutes. And these are chicken that I dipped them twice. So I put them in the flour and then back into the butter. Back into the milk and then back into the flour. So I wanted to show you what those both look like. So this is like extra crispy and original recipe. Okay, thank you so much for watching.